Hi and welcome to another edition of TraderCast's Daily Market Report. We are looking at multiple time frame analysis for German 30 or DAX index. This is our daily, 4 hourly, hourly and 15 minutes. So daily time frame appears to be quite a bit of selling, and we are currently testing all important 200 period SMA in a daily time frame. A daily close below these current levels of 95.50 would be quite concerning, then potentially targeting around 9,400. 4 hourly, we have a bearish cross here after this topping pattern, and this sell-off is actually quite steep, and it caught many people by surprise who were still looking to potentially buy the dip, and that was a logical thing to do because the prevailing trends were all intact up until Thursday and Friday. So a bit more uncertainty over the weekend with the Greece situation, elections over there, situation in Japan, some uncertainty with the political situation in US, which is all sorted out now, and then obviously destruction of oil prices pulled global indices down. So DAX was no different to any other. So 15 minutes and hourly are now in a clearly defined downtrends, well below falling multiple moving averages. So let's go into our charts and see what we can do. In its basic form, a point of control or a major point of reference for DAX trading range is at 95.80, 96. A rally into that area could potentially be seen as a selling opportunity by bearish traders, and then potentially targeting further downside towards 95.18, which is really important, because this 95.18 represents a multiple fib retracements on daily and 4 hourly time frames. A loss of this 95.18 could potentially target 94.68 and 9,407, 9,410 very quickly, and that 9,400 is actually referring to our daily time frame as well, if you remember. Alternatively, a rally into this point of control area 9,580, 9,600, and a breakout above that area could potentially target further upside resistance towards 9,700, 9,751, which would also be seen as a good shorting opportunity by anybody who's bearish, because that will give you a falling trend line, moving average, and all sorts of other stuff. Only a breakout and confirmed, let's say 4 hourly or a daily close above 9,751 would negate this and potentially prove as a buying opportunity for anybody who's bullish. The other thing that I'm keeping an eye on as well is this leg down from 10,090 all the way down to a first corrective wave extended on the downside could potentially target this area here. So the same number of points here for A, B, C, D, E would point to 9,550, which is where we are now, or 9,518, which is this very important support line. So hopefully this was informative and beneficial for you, and I look forward to talking to you next week.